Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is 2:45 p.m. as I think you can see. Did I put the... Yeah. We've been ordered to shelter in place in our cars. No running, no pushing, no shoving are our instructions. So I batten down the camp, as I think you can see as well as I can. Tied the tapestries up so they wouldn't catch the wind, and I think everything in there should be fine. Weather is approaching from west, and it's supposed to be lightning and stuff. We've already had several camps fall down and blow away. So, I don't know. I guess I could look at the radar and see where everything is. I think I'll do that. So, I wonder if we could this. Get a weatherman. Oh, as you can see, well, we're right in the middle of it. So, well, that's the story now, ladies and gentlemen. We'll check back in later. Wait a minute, let me back up and get another weather report. You all just go ahead. Now that's another episode of Festival Update. Cut.